Okay, so yeah, these are both products from a new soap coming out in SAUSALITO, California. I'm trying to look for the. I had it here with me. Um, I had it out here. I had it with me. I had the number in here. I think I know it's in the 415 area code. Let's see. Let's look it up. Let's see if I can find a page link for it while I'm looking. Okay, open up a new tab, but yeah. And while we're waiting, I'm gonna open up my girls one. I got these both from my friend, and I got two of these soaps. I'm gonna open up her package. Show you guys what the soap looks like. I got for her. These are all made with olive oil and palm oil. Yeah, man. I love food. Freaking smells like this fucking sauce. I'm glad I got myself one. And, what is this company called again? The Sense SEAGULL 22 ELPORTAL, Sausalito, California. And let's see. Use Google Maps. Use Google the SC SENTED SECA Sausalito, California. Yeah, it's 41533144000, and yeah. And they do have a looks like they might have Facebook. It's but I'll look that up in a separate video. But yeah, really do check these do check this coming out. It's like brand new. I just went in there yesterday and holy cow! If you're just going there for soaps, you might have a little trouble figuring out. Okay, what do I want to get? I mean, this place freaking looked like it had 40 to 50 full loaves of soap, and there's only two ways you're getting there. Either you're cold processing your soap, which I didn't ask, or 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 you're hot pressing soap, which gets you the soap right away. I mean, there's a difference between cold process and hot process. Hot process means you get it that night or the next morning when you come in to the shop, and pretty muchly cold process means you get it in 4 to 6 weeks. She did say to me that all of the soaps that they have are made with a combination of palm oil and olive oil, so it's a real easy recipe for them to remember. And I mean, they had like 50 freaking loaves of different soaps. This is a chocolate brownie, I believe. Don't get angry. If you're in the Sausalito area, go and ask them or go into their shop. I mean, they have rosemary, they have peppermint, uh, they have so many things. They have body creams. Um, the bottle I showed you is a massage oil. If anyone knows what that is, please do hit me up in either the inbox or the comment box or the inbox. I'm a little. I've heard the word before, but I've I'm too lazy to try and type in the word. So yeah. Um, Peace out, rate, comment, subscribe. I will come back and if they have a Twitter, um, Facebook page, I will definitely make sure to mention they're brand new, so they don't really have like a website or. They gave me the telephone number, which I'll give you guys one more time. It's 415-331-4400. And yeah, give these guys a check out. Man, I really enjoyed being down there yesterday. Yeah, so peace out, rate, comment, subscribe.